Assalamu alaikum everyone, and slowly we're looking to move lower and lower and lower. Yes, we're looking to come down to 0.2583. We're not done, and FTX token and FTT token is looking to be in deep trouble. And as people have been afraid of the exchanges now, and people are cashing out and they're putting their money into Trust Wallet token. You can see Trust Wallet token pumping right now, which is the reason why it's pumping is because the social media is spreading fear of exchanges, from Gate.io to FTX. I'm not even going to talk too much about the technical side of it, but let's talk about the general news going on. So is FTX really a scam? I think by now they've actually proved to be a scam, by the way, but technicals right now still shows that we're going to go down. But can they do a rug pull and completely destroy it all the way down to 0.0000 something, just something like Luna Classic did? Maybe. When you have Ponzi schemes, they go for the rug pull. We have historical coins like BitConnect, Luna Classic, OneCoin. There are so many, like there are two different versions of OneCoin. I'm not talking about the Harmony one. That's pretty much a project out there, which is a good project, but there was another one that was actually a Ponzi scheme. So what they do is whenever they cash out and everything, so if the main holder of the coin sells out everything, the coin potentially goes to zero and you're left with nothing basically to invest. So if something like that happens, then we're looking for this thing to again go to death, if all those speculations about FTT being a scam is true. And by the way, on the 4-hour time frame, I do want to show you another continuation patterns that we're putting in. By the way, on the daily time frame, there's just one continuation, and that is 3 black rows. So it's just another 3 red candles at the moment. So don't buy falling knives. Be careful of buying falling knives. These are 3 red candles. These are basically, they mean continuation, and you're always going to get 1 green candle after 3 red candles. So that means by tomorrow we're still going to continue lower and potentially lower until we don't go down all the way to 0.2499. As I said before, point of invalidation is going to be up here near 6.6. So you really have to come above this place to continue a little bit higher, maybe to $30. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on FTT. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.